I'm going to show you how you can make your own signature stamp. You start by a square canvas. I used 3000 by 3000 pixels at 300 dpi and press create. You need your signature. Either you can do a handwritten one or you can use a font. It has to be in black on a white background. Here I have one of mine. Then we have to make sure that it's centered. You press the arrow, make sure that magnetics is on, and then you move till you get the gold lines on both angles. Then we go back and we swipe down with 3 fingers and press copy canvas. Go into the brushes, duplicate the brush and tap it. Then we go to shape, edit shape source, import, paste, and press done, and done again. Now you have your own signature stamp. So simply tap to use. You can change the size. If you want it to be pressure sensitive, then we go back into the brush by tapping. We go down to Apple Pencil and we slide the pressure one up to max and press done. Now your brush is pressure sensitive, so you can tap lightly for a small logo and tap a bit harder for a bigger one. That's about it. Write a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Bye.